Hello, my dear friends and my dear colleagues from the ITI. My name is Frans Lambert, and I am a periodontist from Belgium. I am the head of the Department of Periodontology, Orodental and Implant Surgery at the University of Liège in Belgium, and I'm also a professor in the same discipline. Today, I am very happy to talk about one of my most favorite topics, which is immediate implant. I've been working quite a lot over the last years on that topic. And today, what I would like mainly to focus on is the decision making, in which case this is safe to do it. So maybe let's start with a conventional approach. You know, the approach where we have to do the extraction. We do it, of course, atraumatically, but even though it often leads to a significant bone defect that you're very familiar with, and not always, but quite often, we need to do a bone augmentation procedure, let it heal for 6 months, or sometimes this is simultaneous, in order to be able to place an implant and let it heal to reach the osseointegration, to load it with in the aesthetic zone, usually a provisional crown, to finally do the final restoration. All this, many visits, and it can be up to 1 year for such a treatment. And now, with the advancement, with the new technologies, if we have a hopeless tooth in certain conditions, we can remove the tooth and place an implant, and 1 hour later, the patient is just there with a new tooth. Fantastic, no? So yes, it works.